Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I got surprise guests. Say hi.
Hi. Hi.
This is the guy scared in my last video.
Remember where Wingness
Is that
was?
me?
Oh yeah, it's Upland.
Okay.
No, it's Upland. Yeah,
And
I usually go to Edwards.
today,
Upland.
my dad might record me playing basketball.
All right,
Okay.
now we're eating food.
Yeah, right now we're eating this really good food.
Let's go. Oh yeah, let me see that. Yep. Oh yeah. This is about to get 100 views. Yeah.
Yeah, this video should get 100 views.
This is gonna get 20,000. This is gonna be number 1 on rating.
100 views is not a lot.
Well, listen, you only get 6 views.
So, I just started.
Yeah,
Okay.
you just started.
Oh,
Hey guys, so go follow me on Instagram
yeah, her name.
at Sarah Mendoza with 2 Z's and 2 A's at the end.
And what's yours?
Ava Montgomery with 3 Y's at the end.
And Dad, what's yours?
I haven't posted yet because I just got one.
Dad, what's your Instagram?
And go add
Oh,
me on
I'm too old for that.
Go add
He's
me
too old. He's like
go-
50 years old.
Go add me on Snapchat at s.mendoza10. Yeah, add me on Snap, Ava_MONTY.
Okay, bye guys. Subscribe and leave a like. Bye.
I broke 2 nails.